In today's lesson, we will complete our golden leaf with the threaded beads. As usual, I start from the base of the leaf and repeat the borders all the way up until the peak. And since the previous two lessons were quite difficult, today is an opposite, light and very quick exercise just to refresh our knowledge of the sharpened corners. Also, if you think that the sequences are placed too thick one to another, don't place a bead, just to use your common sense and the sense of aesthetics. Pay attention when you are making your corners. Here, I'd like you to highlight the peaks with the beads. You may also leave it free or use just loose stitches. It's also up to you, up to your vision. Here I make a little stitch just again to secure the edge and placing some loose stitches on top of the beads. And now I'm placing the beads all the way down. And our leaf is ready. You can see how precise is the trunk and the edges of the leaf and the corners. I'd like you to do the same, photograph your work, and if you have any questions, kindly feel free to ask me. Like this, I've completed my 2 leaves and ready to start a new module.